So today we're going to be looking at the word laugh in British English. There are actually two normal ways to pronounce laugh in English. The first is laugh, like that. The other is laugh, which is normally seen in the north of England. So if you hear someone say it like that, it's just an accent. Today I'm going to be teaching you the standard way to say it, which is laugh. Hello, if you haven't met me yet, my name is Andrea and I am here to help fix your English. Today we're going to be looking at pronunciation, so if you're ready, let's begin. How do we spell laugh? This is one of the most creative English spellings that you will come across. Laugh, which sounds like it has a F in it, is actually spelled L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. It should be laug, but it's not. Let's look at the International Phonetic Alphabet. We have L. It's a light L sound. Ah, which is like in car. And then we have F, a sharp F at the end. So laugh, laugh, laugh. You go. Well done. Say it with me slowly 3 times. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Very well done. Let's do some practice sentences now. I laugh at all her jokes. One more time. I laugh at all her jokes. Good. Don't laugh. It's not funny. Don't laugh. It's not funny. Well done. They make me laugh every time. They make me laugh every time. Well done. So, ignore the spelling. It's a F sound. Laugh, laugh. It rhymes with calf, which is a baby cow, half. What happens when we use the simple past, which is the ed ending? How does it sound? Well, we know it's laugh. Is it laughed? No, it's laughed. Laughed. Okay, let's break it down again. L that we learnt before. Ah. F, and then t at the end. Ah, very strange. Laughed. Laughed. This is what's called the voiceless ending. So it uses a t instead of a d. I actually have a video about this sound. It's something that's very confusing and very important to know. Say it with me 3 times. Laughed. 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 Well done. Let's do some practice sentences now. I laughed so hard I cried. I laughed so hard I cried. Well done. She laughed at my terrible pun. What are puns? Puns are also what they're called play on words. And if you read literature like Shakespeare, if you watch any comedy, you'll also hear a lot of puns. It's where a word means something different in a sentence. I'm going to give you an example of a pun. A boiled egg for breakfast is hard to beat. Okay, a boiled egg for breakfast is hard to beat. Beat is the verb that means like this, which you normally do with scrambled eggs. But a boiled egg you can't do that with. So that's the first meaning. The second is that when you say that something is hard to beat, it means that it's hard to get better than. So for example, having an ice cream on a summer's day is hard to beat, meaning that there's nothing really that can be better than that. So 2 meanings. A boiled egg for breakfast is hard to beat means that it's the best thing to eat at breakfast. The second is that you cannot beat it like a scrambled egg. Okay, so puns are that. So let's go back to the sentence. She laughed at my terrible pun. Good. They laughed during the entire film. They laughed during the entire film. Well done. Let's look at the present continuous now, which is the ing ending. How do you think that it is pronounced? This one's easier, if that helps. So we have laugh, ing, laughing. It's that laugh, which is the same as before, and then the ing, which is that short sound, and then the nasal ing ending. So laughing, laughing, laughing. Well done. The stress is also on the first syllable. Laughing, laughing. Okay, not laughing, laughing. Say it with me slowly now, 3 times. Laughing, laughing, laughing. Well done. Let's do some practice sentences. He's always laughing at something. He's always laughing at something. We were laughing for 10 minutes. We were laughing for 10 minutes. Stop laughing and help me. Stop laughing and help me. Well done. Let's look at some related forms now. We have laughter, laughter. This is that schwa sound, which is a very British sound. Laughter, laughter. Her laughter filled the room. Your turn. Her laughter filled the room. Laughs, laughs. She always gets laughs from the crowd. She always gets laughs from the crowd. There's also a common phrase which is laugh out loud or lol. I literally laughed out loud. I literally laughed out loud. And now a few common idioms. In British English we have a laugh, which means to have a good time. We went to the pub and had a laugh. That means that you went to the pub and you just were in a group talking and laughing and having fun. And burst out laughing is when you suddenly stop laughing because of something that's funny. I burst out laughing when he said that. I burst out laughing when he said that. Perfect. Okay, this is the quiz. I'm going to show you a sentence and you have to say the pronunciation. I'm going to say it after you. You will check if you got it right. Are you ready? This sentence. They laughed until their stomachs hurt. Laughed. This one? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? This one. That laugh was so fake. That laugh was so fake. And the last one. I love the sound of her laughter. I love the sound of her laughter. Well done. So, have you laughed today? I have, many times. I hope this video helped you to clear up one of the most confusing pronunciations/spellings in English. While English spelling doesn't always make sense, the pronunciation doesn't have to be a mystery for you. Your challenge today is to write in the comment section what was the last thing that made you burst out laughing. As always, if you liked this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other pronunciation videos if you would like to fix your British English. Have a wonderful day today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!